The commanding mountains, the lush valleys, gave birth to a uniquely American instrument. It provides a sound as rich and magnetizing as the region it originally called home, an Appalachian home. This, however, is New England.
Dulcimer, New England, yes, Anomaly.
In a building where books are more common than melodies.
It sings.
4 ladies from a group called Connecticut Mountain Dulcimer Gathering give life to a 19th century instrument first introduced by Scotch-Irish immigrants.
There are more dulcimer players in New England than you would think. People think of it as an Appalachian instrument, and I started because my husband is from North Carolina. And
Melanie Johnson says Kentucky-born folk singer Gene Ritchie inspired the East Coast to pick up the dulcimer in the 1960s.
you get people who come up and say, "What is that?"
Since then, pockets of people have gravitated to the 3-stringed instrument and often can't put it down. It doesn't take long to meet others who have the same symptoms.
I love this instrument. I'm so happy I found these guys. Nothing matches this. It's just beautiful. I like to just take it out to the backyard, and I have the audience of my dogs. They climb onto the chair, the lounge chair. They never complain.
An Appalachian sound has a New England following. After all, shouldn't scenes like this have a musical bed to go along with it?
But one of our missions, or our hopes as a group, is playing in public forums and getting other people interested in it.
It's very, very soothing.